Well, hey fellers, welcome to OAM Garage. If you've never been here before, I work on my old truck. Hope you enjoy it. This 1952 Chevrolet pickup truck, 3100 with a 235 motor in it, straight six. Anyway, I appreciate all you fellers watching, and I think at last check I had 482 people subscribed, and still about 90% of you that watch my channel are not subscribed. Please do, if you like it. If you don't, I don't know why you're here anyway. I don't know if you can hear that, but thunder's coming and I need to hurry. What we're going to do today is I bought me some blinkers, and it looks like I ain't going to have time to get them hooked up because of that thunderstorm coming, but I will have time, I hope, to get them mounted. All right, so let's do this thing. Yeah, it's gonna be coming soon. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. If you notice, what I got here is a hole right there. That's because this fender is the original fender that came on this vehicle. That one over there does not have a hole. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to drill us some holes. And since I've already got one here, that's going to be another problem. Good Lord, I hear that. Ooh, that thunderstorm is coming. All right, so let's hurry up and get these two holes drilled. This is what I'm going to do since I already got a hole in the middle. Yeah. I'll holler this one out a little bit. Holler that out a little bit. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this piece of wood. You see, if I was to just start drilling, this drill here is going to go all over the place, so I can't do that. So what I have to do is I have to put this piece of wood where my screws go. There they are, way over yonder. This is a good tip if y'all are paying attention here. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to reach up under here. We're going to put this block of wood right there. And then we're going to take this screw, put it in right there. At least we're going to try. Of course it doesn't want to stay. Of course not. Of course not. That. Getting it out. Alright, now come on. Let's start over. No, not the video, just this. Yeah, I hear that storm coming. That's why I'm in a hurry. It's never good to be in a hurry. I understand. Come on now. What the heck? Alright. Let's put somebody in here that will do it. Dang, I hate being in a hurry. Y'all hear it yet? I mean, it's coming. Put one here. No, apparently we ain't. Okay. Alright, where's there it is? Now, we are going to figure out where the center of this hole is, and then we're going to put a spot there. That's 3 inches, top to bottom, so that'd be 1.5. Right in there. Alright. Okay. Let's drop that hole. Are you looking over my shoulder or what? Alright. Let's take this. I still hear that thunder. Wouldn't be no big deal, but I got all these cameras and stuff out. Alright, so that has got to be the dullest dead blame. Come on. Are you kidding me? Alright. Now, let's take these bad boys out. By the way, I'm going to be gone all next week. I'm going to the state of Utah, OAM, Utah, to visit my daughter. So I will try. In fact, I'm in Utah probably as you're watching this. So I will try to do something about videoing where I am. Because it is so pretty where she lives. Right? How did we do? We didn't do so well, did we? Okay. That's not too bad. I just need to elongate them holes a little bit. Alright. Is this the one I want to use? Let's do that a little bit. Nope, that's not the one I want to use, because that one is dull. You know what? Probably would do me to go get another larger drill bit. Will. If I can get back before the storm. Alright. Here we are. Here we are. Uh-oh, I see that. I see another problem. That hole ain't directly in the center either. Let's see about you. How we doing on our hole? Yep. Okay. Alright. Those are not a problem. Okay. Right. So I need to come down or go up a little bit. Y'all hear it yet? Or not? There we go. Alright, that looks pretty good, don't it? Yeah. Alright, we got one. Now we gotta go figure out the other one. So what I'm gonna do is take it back out. Like that. And then I'm gonna measure over. It's gonna be 5 1/4 down is 3.5. 5 1/4, 3.5. 5 1/4, 3.5. Alright, 5 1/4, 3.5. Alright, so again, I got this stupid storm coming up. Alright, 5 1/4. Ooh, that's way out there. 5 1/4. 3.5. Alright. So right there is where I want to drill my hole. So let's do it. Here comes the wind. Not too bad yet. That may have been my air conditioner coming on. Alright. Let's go with 2. Here we go. Now, we're going to take this, set that in the hole. Put my glasses on. I hear them cutting trees around here too. That'll come to a stop, won't it? Yep. Let's see here. Alright. No. That ain't right. Alright. Right there. Right there. That should be pretty close. Let's use our good one. Shall we gather at the ridge? Yourself a little room. Let's get you the light. Here it is. Pop it in there. Man, that couldn't be better. Alright, let me get this. Screws and bolts and stuff. That could not be better. Did y'all see that? Yep. I'm just putting this in here temporarily. Although I gotta hook the wires and all up, but I ain't gonna have time to do that. I gotta beat this storm. Alright. It's all about looks anyway, ain't it? Yeah. It's all about looks. Ain't it pretty? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty. Alright. Now what? There it is. Hope I've been getting everything. turn it over. Get that oil on there. Like so, I don't know. You know what? I think I could drill out just a little bit more of that hole. Yep, I did it. Alright, so let's take these two. Down. Good. Good. I'm glad you were on the ground, so I can't find you ever again. Alright. Fortunately, I see you laying on the top of that roof, that leaf. So we're good to go. Good fit. Need to get the blinkers hooked up. This truck didn't come with blinkers. It didn't have blinkers in 1954. Well, it did probably, but it was an added feature, I do believe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I wanted to get them on there. Them came from China. So I had to wait about 4 or 5 weeks to get them, or more. And they finally came in. There they are. Don't work. It's for looks. It's kind of like having them fake cameras, you know, just for looks. But it won't be for looks for a while, because I'm going to hook them up as soon as I get my blinker system. What do you think? Looks good? I think it does too. Alright. Well, I appreciate you fellers and fellettes, and I will see you next week. Hopefully this will come out Monday. If I can get it all on my thumb drive, I'll put it on up in Utah, and you'll have if I don't catch you next week, well, I'm sorry. I did what I could do. You can believe it. Y'all be sweet. And look, ooh, look at me, I'm nasty. Just took a bath. Don't litter. It just ain't pretty, okay? Don't litter. Why? Because it just ain't pretty. Alright? Alright, y'all be sweet. Love every one of you, mean it. Subscribe.